What's up? My name's Chrissy and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So for today's video, we're going to be doing this cranberry chocolate eye. That's what I'm calling it. And we're going to be using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. This is what it looks like. Beautiful, I know. So if you want to see how I got this look using the palette and also what I think of the palette, just keep on watching. So yesterday I decided to go to Ulta and make a little purchase, and I decided to purchase the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Look at how pretty this is. The packaging, like, look at how pretty the box is. Like, oh my god, so pretty. And let's open it up, and here is the palette. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And I gotta say, I really like that it's not velvet. I mean, the velvet is so pretty, like, don't get me wrong, but it just gets so dirty so easily, and then it's so hard to clean. I feel like if I got this dirty, you know, it's much easier to clean. So, I mean, hopefully, but I have a feeling. Here is what it looks like inside. These beautiful colors, like, oh my goodness. Yeah, these colors are just so pretty. Yeah, these colors are just so gorgeous, and I feel like these would work well with many different skin tones. Also, I gotta say, like, I totally forgot that every Anastasia palette comes with a brush. I used to have the Modern Renaissance palette, but it expired, like, and I had to toss it, you know? It just wasn't doing good anymore. But I totally forgot that every Anastasia palette comes with a little brush, and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like this brush is way softer. And I'm trying to look for, because I still have my old brush that came with my Modern Renaissance. Oh, is this it? Yeah. Like, I feel like this is the brush from the Modern Renaissance palette, and this is the one from the Jackie Aina palette. You know, they're both two-sided brushes. I definitely feel like this brush is much more softer than this brush. So kudos to Anastasia for providing a more soft brush. I'm definitely going to use this today. Okay, so I had an idea for this one look, but then when I tried it on my eyes, I don't know, I didn't really like it too much. So then I had another idea for this look, and I really like how this came out. So we're going to do the other eye. So I'm going to take the shade Ginger on a Morphe MB23 brush, and I'm gonna take that into the crease. And then I'm going to take the shade Edges and also put that in the crease as well. Then I'm going to take the shade Credit, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe M506 brush. It's a much more smaller brush. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and focus it mainly in the crease. I'm also gonna take it in the outer corner as well. Now I'm gonna cut the crease using my Covergirl Trublend concealer. I uploaded a review on that concealer, so if you haven't seen the video, go check it out. See what I really think. So now I'm just cutting my crease. I don't know why, but I was having the hardest time today getting my cut creases even. They're still not perfectly even, but it looks a little decent. And then I'm just setting that with some translucent powder. And then I'm going to take the NYX glitter primer and put that where we just set it. I did this exact same thing on the other eye and I felt like it made the lid shade really pop, so that's why I'm doing it again on this eye. Now I'm going to take the shade Wiggalese right here. There we go, right there. And I'm going to take my finger and press that shade onto the lid. Okay, now I'm gonna take that shade, let me wet it a little, yeah. I'm just gonna take that shade Wiggalese and just perfect this cut crease. I'm gonna do my wing eyeliner off camera because to do wing eyeliner I need the mirror really close to me because I'm not the best at wing eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that off camera. And I'm gonna do my lashes off camera. I'm gonna be using Bold Face makeup in the style Worth It. So I'll be right back and we'll do the face. I went ahead, put on my lashes and my foundation, my concealer, and my powder. And I know it looks super ghostly right now, but we are gonna bronze the skin now to add some warmth back into the face. All right, so I'm taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Warming up the face with that. My foundation and concealer and primer, all that, are the same products that I always use, but I will also list them down in the description bar below. And for blush, I'm going to take the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio and I'm going to take the shade Seclusion right there. Just a nice peachy shade. For highlight, gonna take a little Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics. I think highlight has to be my favorite part of my makeup because, you know, I use so many powders. And then after using those powders, I feel like my face just kind of looks a little flat and a little, maybe even too matte. And this just adds a beautiful glow and I feel like it adds some life to me as well. Though I don't really go too ham on highlight. I don't know, maybe this might be a lot for somebody, but then I have people that tell me that I don't put enough highlight on, but I don't know, I like this. So I'm also gonna set my brows with a little brow gel. This is the Anastasia brow gel and this is the dark brown one. I've been using this a lot lately along with the Brow Wiz at Ulta. I don't know if they still have it, but at Ulta they had a little set with the Brow Wiz and the brow gel together for 25 bucks, which is a pretty good deal because this alone is like 22 bucks. So I saw that and I had to get it. Just such a good duo. Ugh. I remember when I was first getting into makeup and I would use the Brow Wiz and oh my god, I loved it. But to be honest, it's a little expensive. That's why I've been mostly using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, which I still love, but man, this is so freaking good. Like, mwah. Anyways, back to the eyes. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the shade Soleil right here, put it on the inner corners. Oh, that's so pretty. I'll definitely use Trust Issues another time because that's also a beautiful shade. Oh my god, wow. God, I just feel like this, I never really do like a super blinding inner corner highlight too. Wow, this just really added something special. I'm gonna do that on the brow bone highlight too. Just a little, because wow, this shade is really something special. Oh my god. And I know it just looks like a gold, but wow, that is gorgeous. Oh my god. I'm gonna take the shade Credit and I'm gonna try taking it with this part of the Anastasia brush on the lower lash line. Let's see, hopefully that works. I'm only gonna take a little bit of the shade. Then I'm just gonna take the shade Ginger just to blend that out a little. Just gonna take a little bit of the shade. For lips, I'm gonna take the Morphe lip liner in the shade Sweet Tea. I'm gonna take this Smashbox lip gloss. It's their Gloss Angeles lip gloss, and this is in the shade Honey. Just a nice nude gloss. Alright, and this right here is the finished look. I really hope you like it. It's crazy. I had a completely different look in mind that I wanted to do, and I wasn't feeling it, and then I switched to this look and I absolutely love it. When I was doing the look that I had planned before, I used the shade Wiggalese and some other shades, but I felt like I really wanted the shade Wiggalese to stand out because it's just such a beautiful shade. I really wanted that to be the main focus. So I know I mostly used like the neutral shades. I just felt like the other shades I used really helped Wiggalese to stand out, and I feel like this just looks like such a delicious chocolate cranberry look, you know? That's what I'm gonna call it, chocolate cranberry, because that's what I feel like this looks like. I'm actually wearing like red pants, so I feel like the red cranberry eye will just go great with the red pants. And oh my god, that Soleil shade is just so beautiful. I'm obsessed with this look. I gotta say, I love this palette. I'm so glad I picked this up. This is a great palette. If you are thinking of getting this palette and you have the money and you want to get it, because it's really great. The shades are gorgeous. It's so beautiful. I really love it. I can't stop staring at it too. And I can't wait to play with more of the shades. I definitely want to do another tutorial using this palette again. I want to play with more of like the purple shades and use Trust Issues. I also want to have the shade Sponsored right here as well, because I don't think I have a shade like that in any of my palettes, and I don't think I've ever done a look with this. So yeah, I definitely want to try to do a look with this. You know, this is wonderful. So 2 thumbs up for this. I really recommend it. This palette is available at Ulta. It's available at Sephora. It is also available online for Ulta and Sephora, and also available online for Anastasia's website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see next. from me. If you want to see another look with this palette, I'm probably going to do it anyways and use more of the purple colors and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, whew, I just fixed that. Thank goodness. I'll always get a lip gloss on my teeth. Stop, pause. Where's that brush? No, where is that brush? This side just hates me.